In this video I'm going to show you how I earn Ethereum. On the 24th of July I joined a little program where I can earn Ethereum daily passively, okay? But I'm not the type of person that just wants to do passive income, but this is 100% passive, but I also promote. But let me show you, look, what I've been earning. Look, there's since the 24th of July, so 24th of July, 0.3, some more Ethereum there, more Ethereum here, going down. Throughout the day, Ethereum, you look, 5.5 Ethereum there, 3.2, 1.7, coming down, 0.1. We're now on to what, the 25th of July, now moving into the 26th. So I can just go down this and show you that practically every day, 27th of July, look, 4.8 Ethereum, here, now the 28th of July, we keep coming. It's just constant Ethereum coming directly into my wallet, might I add. For 29th of July, coming down, now moving into the 30th of July, the 31st. You know, some days it's only a small amount, but most days, well, every day so far, I've shown you that it's earning Ethereum on a daily basis. You know, look, 6.2 Ethereum. This is just mind-blowing, it really is. Look, I missed the 1st of August. Nothing on the 1st of August, but the 2nd of August, the 3rd of August, coming down the 4th of August, the 5th of August, all Ethereum payments. The 6th of August, the 7th of August, 8th, the 9th, look, Ethereum payments, look, 11 Ethereum here, 10th of August. More Ethereum, the 13th, look, so the 10th, we missed the 11th and the 12th, didn't earn anything, but then on the 13th, started earning again, the 14th, started earning, coming down a little bit further, let's see, there's a lot on the 14th, missed the 15th, but started earning again on the 16th, the 17th of August, the 18th of August, the 19th of August, the 20th of August, all Ethereum payments, the 21st of August, coming down, and then today, you know, it's the 22nd of August today, and again this morning I've woke up with some Ethereum from this marvellous little business. Now, if you're interested in earning Ethereum daily, just like I am, what I first want to tell you, this is not Forsage, and I'm in Forsage, and so I love Forsage, but this is not Forsage, and it's not Lionshare. Now, it can be 100% passive for you, so you don't have to do any recruiting. But if you do recruiting, then you know you only need to bring a couple of people in, and you can make some mind-blowing incomes. So if you're interested to find out a little bit more, leave me a comment, and I'm going to send you a link to this page. There's a video there that goes into a bit more detail of how the money, you know, how you can earn passively with this program. And then when you're ready, put your name and your email address in the boxes provided, and I'll send you some more information. You have a fantastic day, and if you're interested in earning Ethereum daily, then make sure you leave me a comment. Bye now.